Hello everybody, this is Adam Liu from M-Spec Performance, welcoming you to the fastest 2 minutes in automotive. This is The Rundown.
Kevin, welcome back to The Rundown. It is finally starting to warm up here in Raleigh. We are seeing sales numbers warm up a little bit. We are kind of flat year over year. I think there's some things to do with it, but I'm curious what you're seeing on the SMS side.
We were just sitting here last month high-fiving about how strong of a start it was to 25. We were averaging over 265,000 ROs created per week across our 6-shop management systems. And then the final week of January hit and the weather hit. We had snow, we had ice, we had a decrease in business across the board, and we lost over 30,000 RO generations during that week. So it affected all of us. I like to see the bounce back, and I think that that's exactly where we're headed, but it does just go to show that weather, especially across the entire United States, can affect us all in a very big way. And speaking of which, Super Bowl just happened. A lot of really good Super Bowl ads, tons of AI, and specifically ChatGPT. So tell me what's going on there from your side, Tony.
Yeah, so there's a lot of anti-ads on ChatGPT commercials during the Super Bowl if you're paying attention. So it's pretty interesting. We've been getting asked a lot about this. We've been paying attention to it. ChatGPT announced a couple weeks ago that they're rolling out a new beta advertiser program. Very interesting. It's definitely targeted towards enterprise level organizations to advertise on the platform. The minimum ad spend, Kevin, is $200,000, and it's only based on impressions. So like I said, it's not for small businesses yet. We are keeping our eye on it. So as soon as we get more information, happy to share it. Kevin, I'm gonna pop over to our new favorite segment.
Yeah, I've always seen the spring season as the primary events and conference season. You have Super Conference, you have Vision, and probably one of the more important ones starting next week is Women in Auto Care. We just talked about Margaret Prolongo last week, how great she's been for that organization. Well, this time around, Katie Russell, who is our Director of Marketing for Aftermarket, is a featured speaker, and she's going to be talking about the multiplier mindset, how to unlock your team's full potential. Some really great insights from somebody that's been around the aftermarket and these products and a lot of our partners for a very long time. So I hope that if you're going to Women on Auto Care, you can check out that session from Katie Russell. Thanks everybody so much, and we'll see you next time.